Every week we have a crew come in and they do a full fogging of the interior of the vehicles. The drivers on a daily basis, every time the vehicle goes out, is doing all the high touch areas, seat corners, handrails. When you come to ride the shuttle, you basically show your ID as it's always been, and you go back utilizing the seats that are marked with an X. Do not sit in those, and then go as far back as you can. The best way for the riders to protect the other passengers and the drivers is to minimize the communications between each other and to sit in the authorized seats to have the 6-foot spacing to minimize any spread of the virus. If you feel that you have COVID symptoms, you're suggested not to ride the vehicle.